Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we are going to see how we can create this abstract umbrella themed layered paper art. If you guys remember correctly, I posted video of this layered paper art last week, and these are the strips of paper that were left behind, and I created this umbrella themed paper art out of that. So let's get started now. So this entire paper art is basically made out of spare paper that is left over from other designs like light boxes, layered art, etc. I have arranged these layers in the color sequence in which I want them to be. The theme is very simple. The white paper that you see are left over from the light boxes, and I have drew some umbrella on that. And the other colored papers are supposed to act as dripping paints, and so accordingly I have drawn some abstract design of which looks like paint dripping from the ceiling and dripping on top of the umbrella. So that is the theme that I have in mind. I have already created a 1 centimeter border on each of those rectangular leftover paper. This border I will utilize to basically put the Sunboard sheet in between to create the gap between the layers. For doing the paper cutting, I am using the FISKARS paper cutting knife, and I will cut each of the layers except the design portion that I have drawn. I will remove rest of the portions from each of the strip, and I'll only keep the design portion. So far I have cut two layers. The topmost layer is the green paper, which will act like a green dripping paint layer, and then under that there is an umbrella layer. So when you will put them on top of each other, it will look like that paint is dripping on top of the white umbrella. Similarly, cut out rest of the layers, and then we will proceed to the assembling part of the layers. And here are all the layers cut out. The backmost layer, there is no cutting on that because that is going to act as the back base. And then we have couple of layers on top of it which are like abstract borders. And after that, the paint layer and the umbrella layer start to form. Next step is to create the gap between the layers, for which I am going to use this 3 mm thick Sunboard sheet. I am going to cut small strips out of this bigger chunk of Sunboard sheet and place it along the border. So along the center of each border, I am going to place one strip, one fairly long strip, so that it supports the entire border. Here are the strips that I have cut out. To glue the strips to the borders, I am going to use this white PVA glue, which is of slightly thicker consistency, which allows it to glue together quickly. So pick up 4 of these Sunboard strips and paste it along the border on the opposite side of each layer. Do not paste it on the front of the layer, otherwise it will be visible. So paste it on the back side of each layer where you have already drawn the borders. And similarly prepare rest of the layers. Once all the layers are ready, then all we need to do is to apply the glue on the other side of this Sunboard strip and start connecting the layers together. After prepping the layers and then joining the layers together, I took support of this frame that I got with one of the IKEA shadow boxes that I purchased. This helps me to align all the layers perfectly at a 90-degree angle by using the corners. So if you don't have something like this, then you can take support of any background on which you can align the layers perfectly. Otherwise, chances are that you will misalign and the design will get a little wonky. So it's best to utilize something like this for proper alignment of your layers. And after placing that last layer, here is the final look of our abstract umbrella and paint themed layered art. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial on the kind of designs you can make from spare paper. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.